This is Intermatic water heater timer WH21. I just received it a couple of days ago. Just want to show you a couple of close-ups. This is exactly the same type of water heater timer that I have in my house. That was actually made by and sold by Home Depot years ago. It looks exactly the same, it says Home Depot on it. That's why I bought it, because it's very simple installation. You only have 3 terminals. You have line 1, line 2 and load and ground, and you can manually turn it on and off. You can remove this and you can put the pins depending on the time that you want to set. It comes with extra pins and it comes with instructions, so installation should be a breeze, and basically it's simple as that. So this water heater that I have at home, if I have it engaged and set up, my water heater is basically running maybe 3 hours per day instead of 24 hours. Okay, so my project is done, everything works great. Now if I want to turn the water heater, I just push the button and I see the red indicator light that says that power is on, and then you set your own timer. So in this case it's going to be working only for 4 hours a day. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.